All right, bye bye.
Yeah.
Thank
Bye.
You go over there tonight. Oh, busy.
Where?
Okay.
In the near Chowilay. About here, about 10 minute walk. Chowilay.
To Malay?
Chowilay Lake.
What time?
Still about at the 8 p.m.
8 p.m. Okay. We want to party.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye bye.
So, mga nhớ về Chawang. Đã là chú kế so về tất cả hào beer. That's good. Chinu ý hào cho what is it Chinu? Tiger beer, right? 5%. We had maybe 24 ounces. No, 40 ounces each. So we're having a little fun here.
Don't leave me here forever. Don't let me be alone. Just you and me together. Don't let me lose hope.
Can we go on the other side?
Louis Vuitton, yeah. I'm gonna buy you a fake Louis Vuitton.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. I need a Madé. I need a Madé Louis Vuitton. If they have a Madé Louis Vuitton, I'll do
Right
it.
here, Daddy, turn. Look.
I look. No.
Oh shit.
Okay, don't do.
Oh yeah, Michelle.
Should I just buy that for myself?
No, you buy that for Michelle.
Michelle.
You buy that for Ashley.
Well, how much is it?
I don't know.
What she's buying?
Yeah, she really like that's her dress.
Do you like it, Dave?
Chinu, you I take a picture.
How
Come
much
on.
is this?
You poke. Chinu, man, come again, Chinu.
What's the lowest you will go for this?
Lowest I do for you $45.
45?
Yeah.
We'll do 35.
Yeah. We do 35.
No, Chinu 勁數，拍 A 拍 A，背住知道你有嘅啫嘛。
35.
This is 45 into which is 30, which is 1350. That's what I'm
背住知道啦，不要背住知道 picture。
We'll do 35 US.
Oh, 35 which is into 30. Oh, 1050 cannot. Last I do for you this price divided 30, 40. That's what I'm doing for you.
Yeah, you plug
want
you
it,
okay.
I do for you.
I know, but I'm trying to think if shit for worth it for
Two
Ashley.
sides
No.
here.
Yeah.
喂，我就知有嘛，你是盤 block 咗啦啦
We do
Mom, remember?
Click it.
，block 咗就 OK，冇嘅 block 咗嘛，it's OK，你知我哋知我，it's OK。
You can look at quality. Yes, quality. You can look inside. Quality. You can look. This is fast copy. It's
No，
not like a
知道
second
知道
touch.
計數啊
Fast，copy was very good.
知道的啦，block 咗的啦，真的，no，
I'm gonna change.
嗱冇 block 咗的啦嘛，冇嘅啫嘛，it's OK 嘅
You need to go Facebook Live with this shit.
，yeah。
This has to be Facebook Live.
Hey, he came with a card and everything, babe.
Oh, mommy, this is you. I love the fake version of mine.
OK，I冇錄差，有條差咗嘛，
Yeah, put it in.
Oh, yeah.
錄夠仲夠咗，yeah，哦錄夠 block 咗
Take it 5
，no no 錄就錄到今晚先 block 咗啫嘛，
Yeah, you should know right here. Yeah.
又錄夠仲夠咗
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we'll
Take this one, yeah?
，yeah yeah，
how much is it?
no，找到有 Hong Kong specialty 哦，
Yeah.
勁啊！
I need something a little bigger. It can hardly hold my iPhone.
幫我買嘅 Hong Kong 好多買嘅，我咪找到啲勁咯。夠住我就等你住都啦，right？
Oh, mommy! Mom! Mommy!
Okay, but that means what you came music channel. I told you.
I know. Now all the
Too
music
early.
is on.
Oh, so I
No,
thought
we
they
don't
play
come
it.
out until 1 o'clock.
They don't start till 12. You should have done what Cody did, the walk. Cody did the walk. You gotta do Cody style. Listen, Cody did a walk and he come back and he paid the same price. Yeah.
But you gotta say 40 too much. Okay, I gotta go.
Yeah, but he did that, but he came back and paid 40.
Oh, yeah, he's not that.
What do you mean he wants a life jacket?
He said he doesn't want to die, so he wants a life jacket.
These are two honeymooners going on their first sunset cruise. Koh Samui. The Red Barron. It's not red, guys. It's blue.
Must be the sail. The sail
Ah.
is red.
Please to meet you. Welcome on board. สวัสดีค่ะดาวแป๊บหนึ่งสวัสดีค่ะ Welcome.
No, no, meto ya.
Cho to lovebirds, not to Kenko.
Tengo. Sailboat. What are you guys drinking there?
I have no idea.
Huh?
I have no idea what this is. I think this is like a mango drink, and then that's like a coconut drink.
Yeah, he was very generous on the rum and coke for the ladies that you know, yeah.
I wanted more rum.
For us, he was just like, dip it. But then for the ladies, he poured a lot. That's everybody. On a sunset cruise here.
We are out.
Where are we
We are
guys? We're in
going.
Koh Samui, right?
Koh Samui.
Yeah.
My name is Bernd. I'm German and I'm the owner and skipper of the boat. Today in charge, however, is Captain Samshad. He is sitting upstairs there, enjoying his life, and he will bring us around this area. It looks like, because if the wind stays like this, then most probably we will see a nice sunset.
Airplane's coming in hot there. Sorry about that. It's a little wavy. Look how low that airplane is.
Please take your seat, keep your seat. We are going to serve it to your place. Right?
Ito siya blue red Barron. Important so appetizer to. So na. This is Kat, you know, they're on their cruise. Sunset cruise. Looks pretty nice, guys, like red. That's why they call it the red Barron. Oh, don't worry. Don't worry. Jangan apa mau delicate tu tu. Ya pasti nu cha no.
Commentary is so funny. It's so annoying. Are you really trying to make people watch your YouTube?
Huh?
So funny. You come ahead. Just don't mind him. You
You're
say
good.
hi,
There we go.
everyone.
There's our.
Dolphin areas. So if you're lucky, we can see some dolphins today.
Dad, this makes me look like you and Terrence. Like,
Yeah, I
we look
know,
like
man.
Terrence.
You can call me T-Rex,
Look at that.
right? That's T-Rex big time, man.
I'm gonna tell Ashley you said
So
it.
Ash that, man.
Tell me that one looks like the one that he played at the street cup. Yeah. At the street tournament. Yeah, like this.
That's yours,
I know.
Ashley.
Altogether, we have about 200.
And when they drive out the mountain, they have to put a gear one, guys. I figured a gear one works. Yeah. I was so worried because it got rev up the engine too much, but because of those two areas where you really go up, you do need gear one.
Normally in this area, you can see some dolphins.
Oh yeah.
And the kind of the dolphin in this area, we call it of Irrawaddy dolphin. Irrawaddy is a short mouth and a black color. And then bottle dolphin, that's a pink color. Okay? Yeah. You know why you come to fish? That's a female.
Yeah.
And the pink is a bigger than male. And when they have the babies, there's more brush come out, and why the skin is come to be.
Islands
Island,
about 2 million
that's called
years
Panga.
old, and they are the result of
Cyrock.
earthquakes and
The
volcano
syrup is good
activities.
for the fishing.
Other than Jay Baisha. Finally, there we go. Yeah, he's loose now. Very nice shot there, huh? You know when it's 你路好为不叫一个不摸捞着气球的都没见过呢 Yeah, is that right? We're talking about that island there. Be alone by yourself. Oh, Sam.
Castaway.
Do you know what I have very talkative right now? So.
Yeah, Kat, they're on the truth serum.
It must be the chain.
Is the truth serums coming out? Right. What do you want to know, Kia?
Ask us now or forever hold no peace.
Do you have anything you want to know?
I'll ask you later.
So cheap.
Honey, we're buying that island right there.
This island costs only, this
mortgage
island
my
costs
house.
only 10 million euros, and then you have this island in your portfolio, and you will be happy forever. You can
So
go
right
to
now-
the water at Menam area,
Your sunset.
and swim 2
Big Talu Red
kilometers,
Barron sunset
go
ตัวนั้น
out of the water,
Red
go buy
Barron.
food back home,
เพราะตั้งแต่อยู่จอมอ
and
เนาะ
here and there drink.
Dinner. Are you gonna make it?
I'm
Where you-
good.
Where you going? You only had like a glass of wine. Here we go. And this is my lady. How are you feeling tonight, honey?
I'm feeling very good, honey.
Yeah.
What's the dog?
Why are you feeling really good?
Because I'm drinking this.
Yeah, there you go. Have a sip. This is the way life should be, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Don't leave me here forever. Don't let me be alone. Just you and me together. Don't